Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how to use exponents. One of the places we're going to use exponents in 6th grade math is in our order of operations. First, let me show you what exponents are, what they mean, and how to solve them. So you've probably seen numbers like this before where you have a large number and this little tiny number up to the right. Well, the large number is known as the base, and the little number is known as the exponent. What this tells us is the exponent is telling you how many 3's that you use. So if you notice, we have 3 to the 2nd power is written as 3 times 3. Okay, if you think about what 3 times 3 is, it's equal to 9. So basically it's a short way of writing out this math problem. So an exponent is our boss. It's the powerful one. It tells us how many bases that we need and how many times to multiply them together. It is repeated multiplication, okay, not addition. So you don't do 3 times 2. That would be incorrect. Okay, 3 times 2, that's wrong. It's got to be 2 3's and I multiply them together. So if you look at this example, we have 5 cubed, or 5 to the 3rd power, and you'll notice as we look down at our notes, we are repeating a 5 and we are repeating it 3 times. And notice our answer is pretty powerful. It's because we do 5 times 5 is 25. And then we do the other 5, which would give us 125. Okay, we did not do 5 times 3. Okay, that is incorrect. So let's look down here at our notes and let's see if we can figure these out. You can pause the video along the way if you want to try them on your own. So here we have 4 to the 2nd power, which means I'm going to expand it out in a multiplication problem. 4 is my base. 2 tells me that I need to use 2 of them. So it's 4 times 4, which is 16. Okay, the next one, 3 to the 4th power. So 3 is my base. Then I would do 4 of them times 3 times 3 times 3. So you would do 3 times 3 is 9. This 3 times 3 is 9. And 9 times 9 is 81. Okay, well, let's go the other direction. What if I have it expanded out? How would I write it using our exponents? Think about this for a second. What number are we repeating over and over again? 2. That's our base. So we're going to write 2 as our base. And then how many 2's do we have? There are 4 of them. 4 is our exponent. So this would be written as 2 to the 4th power because they're powerful numbers. And to solve it, 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. Okay? So let's look at this one. Well, what happens if we have a decimal? Well, guys, it's the same thing. 0.6 or 6/10 is my base, and I do that 3 times. And we know how to multiply 6 times 6 times 6. We just have to remember about our decimals. So 0.6 times 0.6 will be 0.36, because I have two digits behind my decimal, times 0.6. And work it out if you have to. That's just fine. And then I have 1, 2, 3 digits, 1, 2, 3 digits behind my answer. Okay? So it would be 0.216 would be our answer. Okay, so I want you to pause the video and try to solve this one and figure out which one is greater, and then come back and check your answer. Okay, here we are. So 2 times 2 times 2 is 8, and 3 times 3 is 9. So 3 squared is greater. Did anybody notice what I did here? I used a dot to represent multiplication instead of a times sign. You will start to see that more and more this year. All right, challenge. See what you can do with this. What do you think you would do? Think about order of operations. When you're done, show Ms. Hulsey and see how you did.